Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. Today we are doing my Morphe and Bperfect collection. I was thinking, is there any other brands in here? But there isn't. So we have Bperfect across here. Okay, so this is the Born Ready Ellie Kelly palette. This palette, oh my god guys, is so good. I love how it's half mattes and half shimmers. I love this shade here. Like, it's a nice duochrome. Can you see that? I love duochromes, absolutely love them. Oh my god. Then we have the Clientele palette. This has seen me through many looks, many looks. I love it. It's just like your neutral, warm tone, everyday kind of palette. I never stopped reaching for this. And then because I don't like throwing boxes away, apparently, we have the Dream Big Manifest palette, which is really nice. I don't think I've actually used this just yet, so I can't really give you my full thoughts on it. Like, I only have one face, okay guys? So there will be stuff I haven't used. This one I've just got the Muted palette. Oh my god guys, you got warm and you got cool in one palette. Like, honestly, I don't think I needed the latest Stacey Marie palette for the greys, because there is some down here, but it's Stacey Marie, so you have to keep collecting, don't you? The Carnival Free Stacey Marie palette, of course I sometimes keep these, sometimes I don't, but that is what it looks like. I don't even know if I've used this. Yeah, I have used it. I don't know when. I really don't. The new Carnival Interstellar palette. This I got for that side. I have all of these shades already, like in other palettes, but this is the side that I bought it for, so I didn't actually buy it straight away. And this is one that if you want me to do a video on, I can. Just haven't got round to it just yet. And then we have the XL Pro palette, which just looks like this. And I think she's remastered one of these palettes. I do love these highlights, even though some people don't like that they're in here. That is a stunning gold. I actually do reach for them when I'm using the palette. We have the Scepter palette, the Vivian palette. I actually don't know why I got this. I really don't. I saw someone use it and I was just like, oh okay. But I got it in the £9 sale, so I only bought it for £9. Then I've got the Antidote palette. This, I could get rid of all my Stacey Marie palettes and just have this. This has got everything. It's got cool tones, greens, and it's got your warm tones. This palette, I said I was going to do like a part 1, part 2, part 3. I never got round to it. If you want me to do more looks with it, I'm more than happy to. Then we've got Morphe. Oh no. There's a couple more Bperfects. So we've got the Manifest palette. This is like this. This is something like you don't really need, but again, I think I just bought it in the £9 sale, I think. I can't remember. Another Manifest palette. This is gorgeous. This is stunning. And the formula of Bperfect is just, there's nothing like it. There is nothing like it out there. And then the Jack Jossa palette, which is gorgeous. I haven't used it. I thought it'd be like my everyday palette and some colours I could use as blushes. I just haven't got round to it. But if you want a video on it, I definitely will do that. I'm now trying to get into this year of not buying too much. So now we're into Morphe. This is the Madison Beer palette. This is such a nice palette. I will do a video on this without you guys even asking. It's a very nice neutral palette. Then I got the new Morphe 18W Natural Wonder. I say new to me. I thought this was going to be my everyday autumnal palette and I just never got around to using it. And then we've got Morphe, which is 18B. This is nice. This is nice. I feel like I got it in a sale, to be honest. Another Morphine one, 18F. Again, it is gorgeous. I need to use it more. I got this for a Christmas present. This is the Ashley Strong palette. I love it. I can't get rid of the box because it says different things on that than it says on here. But that is what that looks like. I love this side here. This is my favourite side. Oh my god. Another nice palette I bought because of someone on Instagram. Look at that. I didn't realise how nice it was. This Morphe 24A Artist Palette, I think I'm going to declutter. It is not the best formula at all. I've used it once or twice. I'm going to get rid of it. These videos are helping me declutter. So then we've got the Morphe Live With Love, which has got some neutrals and some colours in there. That one's okay. This palette, Till Dawn, Up Till Dawn, is really nice. I need to use it a little bit more because again it's got the greens and the pinks. Everyone loves doing the like green and pink kind of palette. Then we've got the Jaclyn Hill OG palette. Oh my god, I did a video on this and I also use it 100,000 times. I love this palette, really do. And then we've got the 35X Big Pimpin palette. Is it Pimpin? Primpin? Oh my god, why have I not used this yet? This I need to use. This was another gift from a friend. This is the 35O. I've literally just got it for Christmas. That will get a lot of usage out of it, especially like this side. I love a good cool tone eye. This one, the Desert Bouquet palette, is gorgeous. All Morphe palettes are gorgeous, but I just don't have time to play with them all. This is volume 2 Jaclyn Hill. Oh my god, so gorgeous. I've used this a few times. I don't think I've used it on my channel though. Then we have the Morphe 3503 palette. This one again is a really nice warm tone palette with a few cool tones at the bottom. Can't go wrong with that, can you? Then we have the 35C Chic palette. This one, again, they put pinks, they put greens. They just love to do that. And then we've got the 35XO palette. If you like your pinks and your neutrals, you're gonna love this. Definitely will. I need to use this one. I need to use a lot more. This is what these collection videos do to me. I end up using a lot more. This is Jaclyn Hill. This is the Divine Neutrals. This was in my 2022 favourites. Do love it, really do. Lastly, we have Jaclyn Hill's little vault that she did, and again there was always controversy over it, wasn't there? Let's put these back. So there was 4 palettes in this vault. You've got the, oh, the names are on the side here. Bling Boss, which just looks like this. This is my favourite one out of them. Actually, and then there's one more that's my favourite, Ring the Alarm. This used to be my favourite, not anymore. This Armed and Gorgeous one, this was one of my favourites too. I love that. And then we've got the last one, which is Dark Magic, which is really nice. And I do love the greens in there, but for some reason I do love Armed and Gorgeous more. So yeah, that is my Morphe and my Bperfect. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. Some of the videos are going to be short, but at least you can see every single palette in detail. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.